Mommy Makeover is a cosmetic surgery procedure that involves the combination of multiple procedures to restore a woman's pre-pregnancy body. Our surgeons specialize in mommy makeover procedures and have extensive experience in dealing with patients who have undergone childbirth. We offer a range of procedures, including breast augmentation, breast lift, tummy tuck, liposuction, and more. We provide a brief overview of each surgeon's qualifications, achievements, and patient testimonials to help women make an informed decision when choosing a surgeon for their mommy makeover surgery. India has some of the best mommy makeover surgeons in the world who are trained in the latest techniques and have years of experience on delivering excellent results. Our surgeons have vast knowledge of the various surgical techniques, safety protocols, and specialized training. Also highlighting that the cost of mommy makeover procedures in India is much lower compared to other countries without compromising on the quality of care. Overall, our website serves as a useful guide for anyone seeking a mommy makeover procedure in India. Feel free to consult with top cosmetic surgeons India via contact number and email address for the best medical advice in India.